This video will outline how to create a new version of a change while the change distribution is under revision in Gate 3. There may be times when you have to create a new version of the change document. A new version of the change document can be made throughout the change process, up until the change distribution is submitted, as long as the change distribution is reverted by the appropriate reviewer and the following conditions must be true. The change order, if applicable, must be cancelled, and no subcontractor payments must exist. Once the change distribution is submitted, a review workflow is triggered. If any modification and updates to the change document are required, the reviewer will have to revert the change distribution. This video outlines and demonstrates how to create a new version of the change document when the change distribution is under revision. Ensure you are logged in to a project. Then click on the Start menu and navigate to the Changes Management module. The default Changes view appears. Use the filter boxes to find your change document. Once you've located the change document, click the Change Number hyperlink to open the change. Your change document will open in a new tab. To quickly navigate to the Distribution section, click the link on the top bar. In the following example, the status of the change distribution is draft. In this demonstration, the change distribution will be submitted for review. Notice that the workflow has been triggered and the change distribution is under review. The reviewer has received a Gate 3 review notification for this change distribution. In the following example, the change distribution will be reverted in order to make a revision to the change. The change distribution document is now under revision status. To begin, click the More drop-down arrow. Then select the Create New Version option from the list. An error message appears because in this example the change is external, which affects the prime contract, and a change order document exists. Recall that the following conditions must be true in order to create a new version. The change order must be cancelled and no subcontractor payments must exist. In the following demonstration, the change order will be cancelled. To begin, open the change order. The change order document opens in a new tab. Click the Cancel icon. A confirmation message appears. Click Yes. A confirmation message will be displayed indicating the change order document has been cancelled. Toggle back to your Change Document tab. Navigate to the Distribution section. Notice that the change distribution status must be under review in order to create a new version of the change document. To begin, click the More drop-down located on the top right of the screen. Select the Create New Version option from the drop-down. The change distribution and change detail sections have been reverted to draft. Navigate to the Change Detail section and make the necessary revisions to the change details. Then submit the change details. Once submitted, the change detail section is complete, as denoted with the green check mark. If required, you may now make the necessary revisions and modifications to the quotes, summary, or distribution section of the change. Since the change document was cancelled earlier, a new change order document is required to be created in order to be able to submit the distribution. Please note that this is only applicable if your change affects the prime contract. Once the change order document has been created and saved, toggle back to your change document. Review and verify the distribution of the quotes to the appropriate cost accounts, budget, and billing lines. Then resubmit the distribution. This will trigger workflow and the change distribution will be sent to the applicable reviewer. The distribution status will update to under review. Once approved, a subcontractor change order is created for each subcontractor quote that is then automatically sent to each subcontractor's primary contact. You now have a better understanding of how to create a new version of a change document when the change distribution is under revision. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.